Hello students, I am Maths teacher Mrs. Batul Sabowala. Today we'll continue with chapter of Maths, Standard 8, chapter number 5, expansion formula. We have already seen students the expansion of a minus b the whole cube, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. After that we'll go with the exercise practice set 5.3. the first part, that is expand that we have done. Now we will do with simplify.
Students, now we will start with the exercise 5.3, the second part, that is simplify. Now here we have 2a plus b the whole cube minus 2a minus b the whole cube. Now in this, what we will do is, we are going to put the values, we are going to open the brackets, then we are going to solve it. So it will be like this. So when we will open the bracket, as per the formula, we are going to put the whole thing over here about a 2a plus b cube, and this minus sign we will put, and then the whole formula, it is like this way. Now we will open the brackets, and then we are going to now put the proper values to it. So it will be, after multiplying, we will get this answer. Now students, here it is a minus sign. So when we will open the bracket, the whole bracket, the sign will be it will be changed. And here what we have done is, we have already changed the sign, like minus we have done it plus over here. Then here it is plus, so we have done plus minus, we got minus over here, and this minus we have done it plus. So when we have opened this bracket, we got this answer. So now what it will be? It will be minus, so again we are going to write it. So when we have opened the bracket, we got the answer like this way. Now 8a cube minus 8a cube, we are going to cancel it. Here this 2 are plus, this is minus 6ab square and minus 6ab square, so that we will cancel it because plus minus is minus. So now what is left? 12a square b plus 12a square b, that will give us 24a square b, and what is left is b cube plus b cube. So 1b cube plus another b cube will give us 2b cube. So this is our final answer, students. So similarly we have to do with the next also.
Now students will do the second sum, that is 3r minus 2k the whole cube plus 3r plus 2k the whole cube. So when we open this bracket, when we will get it, this answer, that is 3r cube minus 3 into 3r square 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square minus 2k cube. This is for the first bracket. Now for the second bracket, this bracket we will do. So when we will open the bracket, we will get it 3r cube plus 3 into 3r square 2k plus 3 into 3r into 2k square plus 2k cube. So when we will open, the cube of 3 is 27r cube. Then when we will multiply this, first we will do this 3r square. So 3r square will be 3 into 3, 9 into 3 into 2. So we get it 54, and since it is a minus sign over here, so we will get here also a minus sign, and then we will solve this. We got this minus 54r square k. Now over here 4, the square of 2 is 4 into 3 into 3, so we get 36, since the sign is over here plus, so we also got here plus. Now when we solve this, the square of 2 is, the cube of 2 is 8. Here it is a minus sign, so minus into minus into minus. When it is a cube, student, whenever your power is a odd number you get, and your base is minus, you get as minus. Then similarly we'll solve this same and open the brackets. Now after getting, we got this answer. Now students, over here what we will do is, this minus 54r square k and plus 54r square k, that will get cancelled. Now minus 8 k cube and plus 8k cube. So when we do minus 8 plus 8, we get it cancel. So what is left now? We have this 27 r cube plus 27 r cube. So 27 plus 27 gives us 54 r cube, and here this we have 30 plus 36 r k square, and here we have plus 36 r k square. So we got, when we plus 36 plus 36, we get this answer as 72. So thus our final answer is 52 r cube plus 72 r k square. So this is how we have solved the second sum also. Now we'll do with the third sum. So the third sum, that is 4a minus 3 the whole cube minus 4a plus 3 the whole cube. So similarly as done earlier, we will open the bracket. So we will get here as our answer, that is 4a cube minus 3 into 4a square into 3 plus 3 into 4a into 3 square minus 3 the whole cube. And this for the minus that we have. So what we have done here, students, here we have taken only have put this minus sign outside, and then we have opened the bracket inside by making the bracket that you can see over here. Here we have made two brackets. So when we open this bracket as 4a plus 3 the whole cube, we get this answer 4a cube plus 3 into 4a square plus 3 into 4a into 3 square plus 3 cube. Now students, as I told you earlier, that once if the minus sign is there inside, when we open the bracket the sign changes. So when we open this and when we multiply this, we get this answer as 64a cube minus 144a square plus 108a minus 27. Now this one, when we are opening the bracket, so minus into plus, we get here minus, then minus into plus, that is minus, then minus into plus, here we get minus, and minus into plus, here again we get a minus. So when we solve these things, we get here minus, here plus 64a cube minus 64a cube, that is being cancelled. Now we have plus 108a and minus 108a, that is getting cancelled. So what is left now? What is left here is minus 144a square in and minus 144a square. So minus and minus, that gives us plus. So we only have to add the numbers, okay, and then sign of the bigger number. So here we get minus 288a square, here we have minus 27, and here also minus 27. So minus 27 and minus 27, so minus into minus, we are going to add the number. So we got as 54, and sign of the greater number, that is minus, so we have put here. So finally this is what we got as our answer. Now the fourth question that we will do is, our fourth question is 5x minus 7y the whole cube plus 5x plus 7y the whole cube. So here you students, one is minus and one is plus, so here in between it is a plus sign. So when we'll open the bracket, we will get this answer like this one, that is 5a cube plus 3 into 5a square 7y plus 3 into 5x into 7y square minus 7y cube. So when we open the bracket, students, here we get it, and similarly here it is a plus sign, so we will do the same over here. It is 5a cube plus 3 into 5y square into y square plus 3 into 5x into 7y square plus 7y cube. Now when we multiply it, when we multiply these numbers, we get here 5 cube is 125x cube. When we multiply here, students, here we get the answer. And now one thing that we will do is that before we start this, we'll take this minus 3 into 5x square into 7y and plus 3 into 5x square into 7y, because it is a plus minus and it is a plus, so the answer that we get will be the same. So that is why plus into minus plus and minus that we are going to cancel. Here also it is minus 5y cube and plus 5y cube, that will cancel. Okay, so what is left here? It is left as the square of 7, that is 49, and 3 into 5, that is 15. So 15 into 49, we get the answer as 5735xy square. And here the answer, that is again the same, of x square cube. Here we get the answer as 125x cube. Again if we multiply this, we get it out the same, that is 735xy square. So here this 125x cube and this 125x cube, that will give us 250x cube, and 735xy square plus 785xy square, we get the answer as 1470xy square. So thus we got the final answer, that is 250x cube plus 1470xy square. So with this, students, we have done this exercise. Now the another exercise that we will do, before that we will see the formula. So students, thank you very much. I hope you have understand. Thank you.